Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Santosh, my portfolio performance. A big dip here. My account was near 2.5 crores, something like that, until very recently. Yesterday, what happened was this dip almost to 30 lakhs. This is what I have right now in my account, which is 30.2 lakhs. So, what happened to the other money? Um So all the shares which I am holding for the long term, I have transferred that all of those shares to my secondary demat account. So the other demat account. This one is just for now purely for trading purposes. This account, what we can see right here, 30 lakhs. This is my trading capital. Okay. So with that, in the previous videos, I have already covered the previous trades. Like in the future segment, uh, I so we started trading like since October 15th, I think. Yep. So I have done 4 trades in futures, out of which I've lost in DMart and HCL more money than what I made in the profits through Axis Bank and Cummins India. That's with the futures. And if we go to equity, I started trading in equity since November 1st, maybe. Let's check. Yeah, ignore this liquid case. Okay. In Ashoka Leyland, I bought a total of 4,089 shares, something. Yep. Here we have currently live 2,000 shares, and I already booked profits for Ashoka. This is the booked, this is the realized P&L, and this one is open positions. Currently, we are holding. So, in my account. So, Ashoka Leyland, first profit I booked for 14,000 rupees. Okay, I bought it. Let's go open this chart. This is hourly chart. We'll go to the daily chart. I remember I bought it on this day. Okay, um, because this was the 52-week high level. It broke 52-week high and closed above it. So I bought the next day, almost at the market open. Uh, that day did not go well for me. I put the stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, it was minus, I don't know. Yeah, it was minus 2.4 showing right on the screen. So, but the next day it went up, and then I never booked my first target and it kept coming down. It was a nice pullback to the 20 EMA, which is the 20 moving average, and then it just shot up. I think I booked my first profits in this candlestick, and then letting other half of my trade continue. uh, I don't know when I'll book the second profits. Mostly I'm thinking, if it closes below 10-day moving average, I might consider it. Or if it slowly pulls back, then I might not exit. If it is a, I don't know, I'll see how the price action is going on in the future and then decide for this 2089 quantity. The unrealized P by L for this trade, which is right now sitting, we are sitting with 29,400 profit. That is pretty good. Ashoka Leyland, thank you. So 14,000 plus 30,000 unrealized, almost 40, I mean 44,000. Not bad. I mean, this is my biggest winner so far. And then Bharat Forge, this one hit the stop loss. Okay, so if can we go to the chart, Bharat Forge. I'll just let you know why I bought it and where I put the stop loss and how it. Oh, I'll just save the hourly. I mean, that's yep. So all right, this is daily and this is Bharat Forge. All right, what happened was, see, it had a nice run, and then near the 10 EMA, I thought it took the support and was moving up. So I bought in this candlestick, but it did not go up. It it came down and hit my stop loss, which I put it here. So a loss of 8,000 rupees. It is what it is. And then Eicher Motors, yeah, we booked a profit of, so Eicher Motors is, first time I did something called pyramiding. I never done it before. So we'll go to the chart. We cancel this one. All right, we are in the hourly chart. Sorry, daily chart. Okay, a nice up move, and then the price was, uh, coming to 50. So when I opened the chart, the price action was here. It took the support near the 50 EMA. It did not break down. There was no harsh selling. So I think I bought it in this candlestick when the price kept respected the 50-day moving average and started moving up. And then I quickly booked the first target here because the resistance was here. So I booked my profits in this one. So that is what we can see. For 25 shares, I bought at 69.34, which is 69.34. Yep, I bought it in this candlestick. All right, when this was a clear, decisive uh, close, the next day I bought this one in the first hour at 69.34, and then I quickly sold at 7113, which is the kind of a resistance zone. And then I kept the other 20. I bought a total of 50 shares here. Okay. I bought a total of 50 shares. So I booked 25, 50%. And then I thought I will remove that 25 shares. I will try to write the profits if the stock keeps going up. But I mean, trailing with 20-day moving average. It So it came back, took support at 20 EMA. I got carried away. I thought this was, this took the support, and I thought this was breaking. I just bought it here, which is which I don't like it at all, because I should have waited at least until the day end to buy this one. But I don't know. I'm not super proud of this trade. Next time, what I'm gonna do is I want a clear action. So anyway, I bought another. So 25 minus, I think 58. I think I bought another 58 shares here right around here. I thought this candle will keep going up, but it did not. It came back, and now the price tightened, and then now it is trying to move up again. Hopefully that it should mostly move. Who cares? If it moves, we'll make money. If it doesn't, we'll hit our stop loss. It is what it is. So now the ICICI Bank, this one. So we booked half our. This is realized PNL. Okay, this is realized PNL. So next, after the Asian Motors, we have the ICICI Bank trade. So the PNL here is wrong. Why? Because before I moved my ICICI Bank shares, I was holding long-term shares, and this is a short-term trade. So when I sold these 300 shares, the sale price is 1398 obviously, but the buy price is not correct. I bought it at 1344 something. So let's go to ICICI Bank. I bought it in this candlestick 1344, which should be the buy price. So where is this buy price coming from? This is coming from the older long-term shares which I was holding because of the FIFO method or something. So this one is not correct, but however, we booked profits for sure. Let's see how much we booked. Calculator. So the sale price was 1398 minus 1344 our buy price, a difference of 54 rupees profit on one share for 300 shares. We made 16,000 rupees profit for the first target. Okay, this is the realized, and we have remaining how many? 443 shares. And same thing, I'm trialing with 20 EMA for this one. Let's go to the chart on why I bought it and where I think I'm gonna sell it. So this one near the 200 moving average. This is on the daily chart. Okay. Would I do this kind of a trade again in the future? I don't think so. I don't know, because this is kind of a very risky bet, going against the trend, that saying that from here the trend is going to change, but it usually doesn't. That's what, at least that's what I see on YouTube. Okay, the price made low here, the RSI was here, and it came even lower, but the RSI closed high, and then the red candlestick followed by a green almost engulfing candlestick. So I thought this was a good entry point, so I entered right here on the next day, and yeah, booked my first profit in this on this day near 1398. And now I I'm not super happy with this trade because it has been consolidating a lot, but it is what it is. It's okay. So I am now expecting this trade to go up like this. If it doesn't, if it closes below 20 EMA, I'm gonna exit my position. I trialed my stop loss to this point, and now there is literally, this is a risk free trade now, so there is no open risk right now on this trade. That's a very good thing. And also same thing with Ashoka Leyland. I think I tried my stop to, let's go to the orders page, GTT, Ashoka Leyland. The stop loss is at 149.5, which is way above my, which is above my buying price for that, because my buy price was 147 rupees. So even if it comes back and hits our stop loss, which most likely it wouldn't, I mean, anything can happen in markets. I can be saying that. Okay. So if it comes back and hits this 149 stop loss, we'll still be in profit. So this one is also a risk-free trade right now, and this one is also a risk-free trade. And that's all with the ICICI Bank trade. Let's hope that it just skyrockets. So the liquid case, ignore this one. This is my parked money. I parked some money here. Uh, you know, just like fixed deposit something. So this one RM drip something, and then let's open this chart as to why I bought it. All right, nice uptrend followed by a pullback, and now the price was consolidating. It was tightening. You see this candlestick, tight, 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 and then a green engulfing candlestick near the EMAs. I thought this would break and just uh, go off from there. So I bought, I think, on 19th November. I'll go to the view breakdown. We bought on 20th November. So yeah, we 20th November is this. Yeah. After this, the next day I bought in this candlestick in the morning, and I had to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 After 5 days, it hit my first target. I put my first target here at the resistance place, and after hitting the first target again, it is consolidating. I don't know how long we are gonna stay, but the money which I put in this is 30,000 rupees. Is right now with RM drip. I mean, this is the realized PNL. So we booked 900 rupees profit All right, we booked 900 rupees profit on RM drip, and now again this is a risk-free trade because I revised the stop loss. I revised the stop loss of RM drip to 79, which is right around this place. Yeah, if it I want it to go up. If this moves up, we might catch some serious trend. That's what I think. Yeah, and that's up with the RM drip. And next, we'll go to the realized PNL. And then shyly hit the stop loss. This is a very small company. Let's see this. A strong uptrend. In the uptrend, the price pulled back, and the red candlestick followed by green engulfing candlestick near the 20 moving averages. I thought the price will go up from here, but it did not. It consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days and hit my stop loss. I think I put my stop loss here below this candlestick. So we booked a loss in Shyly for 13,000 rupees. Not good. SJS, I mean, this was just a, I wanted to put an order. I didn't know how this market order works for GTT, so I was just testing for SJS. Nevertheless, I bought it, I put a stop loss, it hit, we lost 53 rupees. It's okay. So this is all the trades which happened in equity cash segment so far. And now we have the open positions, which is Ashoka Leyland with a profit of 29,000 going strong. Eicher Motors with a profit of 5,800. Let's hope that it goes up. ICICI Bank, this is not correct because the average cost is 1344. It's okay. RM Drip, a small profit, still a profit. UPL, UPL. So why did I buy this one? The last one. So this was the 52-week high resistance zone. This one, I think I bought it in this candlestick. Broke, and I bought it on the next day. It went up, but again it came down, going up, down. Now consolidating near 20 moving average. If it breaks this, I want to pyramid this actually, but I mean, how much risk do I have in this one? I think I revised my stop loss to this place, 729. UPL stop loss. This is target, first target. Yeah, 737 is my stop loss, which is here. So, how much will we lose? The current price is 759 minus 737. How many? So, this is the current risk for one share. How many shares do we have? 930 shares. So, yeah, 20,000 rupees, which is like more than 0.5% of our trading capital, because this is our trading capital, approximately 30 lakhs. Yeah, so point it comes down to 0.7%. Yeah, I'm not, it's okay. We'll just be okay with this one. So that's all, guys. UPL, we want it to go up from here. The first target is 800, 799. And the second target is if it closes below 20 MA, we'll get out. I mean, we'll come out. Yeah. I think the pull, I don't know. I mean, it has been coming down. So if you see, I don't know how to draw these lines. You see, it came, the price action took support at 20 EMA and closed, broke this small, you know, trend and is now coming out. So I don't know. It might go up. So wish me luck, guys. Uh, Finally, I would like to tell you this that this is our trading capital. Okay, 30 lakhs. The other 2.2 crores is in the secondary demat account in the long term holding. So I'm going to play with these 30 lakhs. Let's double this up. In the process of going forward, I don't want to lose too much money at once, which means I don't want to have big drawdowns. So we'll keep the drawdowns to the minimum, like less than 15%. If I am losing money, I want to risk less. If I am winning money recently, then I want to risk more. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. I hope to make around, anywhere from -5 or -10% to +20%. That's the range for monthly returns. So with a average mean of 2 to 5%, that's my expectations. Um, Anything can happen. I might just not execute properly, but I am determined to, make this work and make some serious money out of trading. Let's see how it goes. Thank you. Peace. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.